Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock Samsung S25 Ultra without any password. iSunshare Android Password Genius is used here.
Firstly, connect the locked phone to your computer. Then go to iSunshare.com. Find Android Password Genius and download it. After that, finish the installation. Now launch iSunshare Android Password Genius. If you do not have a specific driver on the computer, you need to click the Install button to install it. Then click Unlock Screen Lock option. Read the warning. Then click the Start button. Here, you can choose the device brand and click the Start button. Okay, you get the tutorial to put your phone into recovery mode. Just do it now. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons for seconds to restart your device. When feeling a little vibration, press and hold the power and volume up buttons. Release all buttons when you see the Samsung logo. Then your phone is on recovery mode. Click Next on the software to get further instructions. Press the volume down button to select the Wipe Data Factory Reset option. Press Power button to confirm. Press Volume down button to choose Factory Data Reset. Then press the Power button to confirm. Reboot System Now option is selected. Press the Power button to confirm. Alright, the software shows removing the screen lock successfully. Now your phone restarts and you can set it up as a new one. See, now there is no pin lock on your Samsung phone. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.